Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the beauty of glass elevation interior and exterior design. Glass elevations add a touch of elegance to any interior or exterior space. Glass elevations not only add a modern and sleek touch to any building, but they also create a sense of openness and light. Not only do glass elevations create a sense of openness and light, but they also allow for stunning views of the surrounding environment. Just look at how the natural light filters through the glass, creating a bright and airy atmosphere in the interior space. Whether it's a residential or commercial space, incorporating glass elevations can truly elevate the overall design aesthetic. So next time you're looking to update your space, consider incorporating a glass elevation for a modern and sophisticated look. Thanks for watching. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description.